Oh, hello. I'm figured out what's wrong with the suspension system. Disconnecting the battery so I can work on it. Alright, now that's dealt with. Compressor's broken. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I'm going to show you guys the broken compressor. It's going to take a week for the parts to come in though to replace it. So let's get to it. Alright, so whenever you need to service or replace your air compressor, most of the air compressor parts are underneath the driver's side. So if you come under here, whee! Okay, let me see if I can turn on. There we go. So here's the pump. There's some various electrical connections. Okay, I was able to get these two bolts off from the housing, but this one is stripped. Completely stripped. Let's see if I can go one size up. Of course not. So all right, so I ended up drilling out the that screw head. On focus. And now this should just come off. Come on. There. See? Just comes off. And then I'll use vice grips to take this out. Alright, you can see right here why my system wasn't working. This pump busted right here. Alright, so I got the body off. And this all makes sense why I had desiccant where it made no sense, because this had completely separated and the desiccant had just escaped from it. So this is the pump by itself. And it's not a Rover genuine part. It's actually, where is it? Right there. It's a Dunlop. Which is ironic because that's exactly the brand that I just bought. So this was manufactured in 2018. See if I can find the date code again. Right there. So it lasted maybe 5 years, maybe a lot less. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, I don't know what somebody would have done to shattered that. That's crazy. Well, I think that's all for this. I'll see you guys on the next one.